Hey people, so this particular video I is special because almost close to 3 years ago I had made this video on how basically what determines whether someone will get a baby boy or baby girl from a very scientific point of view. And in that video I had spoken about the fact that there are certain very little known science facts associated with conception. So that's what this is. Like, I had made another video soon after that, but I felt I should again make this video 3 years later to kind of explain this whole thing. So so did you know this, that like, what determines whether someone will get a baby boy or baby girl? So it's like, uh, if you notice, baby boy mothers of sons, I am a mother of a son myself, they are inherently slightly very dominating by personality. I mean, like, especially the women who have like two sons or three sons, or generally it's the ones who have a son and daughter, then maybe it's a very balanced thing. But mostly the ones with sons, this thing, women with sons have a slightly more dominating personality than women with daughters. This is, look around and you will know this to be true. I mean, it's you might think it's a very sweeping generalization, but more or less it's true. And there's almost a scientific basis to this, because, like, as in the chimps, among chimps, chimpanzees, it's been seen that little ones, babies, can get into a lot of trouble. Okay, I mean, like, in fact, there's this book called Sapiens that states that certain graves that were dug up, that were seen to be that of children as in toddlers. And it's been said that in certain cases those toddlers had suffered some kind of injury, and maybe natural causes, maybe they were playing and they fell and things like that. But otherwise it's been seen, especially among chimpanzees, that if a toddler gets into too much trouble and irritates the male chimpanzee, in that group, the toddler risks its life. I mean, the big adult male might just kill that baby chimpanzee for being so annoying. So those of you all who've had sons will know that small boys can get into a lot of trouble. Yeah, like, this person I knew would say that his dad had to keep a separate accounts book to cater to the neighbors, saying that their flower pot got broken, their window pane got broken, because this whole bunch of boys in their neighborhood would play cricket and invariably break things. So that's what, in the chimpanzee field, they found that when a male chimpanzee, baby chimpanzee, gets into trouble, he might very well be risking his life. But if that baby chimpanzee's mother is a very strong, dominating, and the kind of lady who will stand up to the male chimpanzee, the big chimpanzee, the king chimpanzee gets a bit scared. He takes a step back. So like that, in the human world also, these little boys who might get into a lot of trouble, invariably nature gives them to mothers who are themselves very assertive, because in case those little boys bug too many people at the same time, this mother single-handedly can defend them. So I found this so fascinating when I read it, because it's true. I mean, we come from a home of, I am three sisters, we are three sisters at home, and my mom would say this, that and in fact, apparently, when I was when I was a child itself, after my little sister was born, we were three girls. So my mom would look at me and say, this little girl will have a son someday, because I was pretty assertive right from, it's like, these are personality traits, right? So no, so that's what, it's fascinating from a science point of view. So that's what people, the ones who are ill-treating their wives, and you know whose daughter-in-laws are very subdued and all, please do not, in case she's about to conceive and all, understand this logic behind this. And in fact, that's the main reason why I've made this video and the previous one also, that if some of these households want a son, please make sure to pamper the wife or the daughter-in-law, because at a subconscious level all this is registered. So So that's my main intent behind making this video, and this is a 5-minute long video. What is wrong with me? But yeah, I had to make this point, and this is the one of the longest videos I have ever made, but I find it fascinating. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.